The formation of the universe is mysterious, and so are the mystic ways of the universe. The universe was formed with Brahmnad, with the sacred sounds of Om, which resonated, a sacred syllable that encapsulated the entirety of creation. It was the sound of the universe itself, the frequency of life and the rhythm of existence. As it resonated, it created waves of energy that rippled through the void, breaking the silence and awakening the cosmos. The same universe is within us, and as they say, Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande, Yatha Dharanam Tadvadatmanam, Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. Hi, my name is Mahaish, and I am going to take you through a unique cosmic journey. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey through the ancient science of Swar Nakshatra Vigyan? Come, let's discover how the rhythms of the cosmos are intricately woven into the fabric of your life. Let us explore the profound connection between sound, frequencies, and the energies of the planets and nakshatras. In this exclusive webinar, you'll learn how to connect the power of your voice to decode the frequencies and sounds of the astroplanet nakshatra axis to activate and balance your astrological influences. Let's unlock the secrets of your destiny through personalized insights and practical techniques. Whether you're a beginner or have some knowledge of astrology, this webinar caters to all levels. Prepare to be amazed as you uncover hidden aspects of your astrological profile and learn how to apply this knowledge for personal growth and empowerment. But that's not all. By attending this webinar, you'll gain access to a comprehensive package that includes personalized nakshatra analysis, sound frequencies tailored to your planets, holistic healing tools, and so much more. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your life through the ancient wisdom of Swar Nakshatra Vigyan. Register now and take the first step towards unlocking your cosmic potential. Join us on this extraordinary journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Click the link below to secure your spot and start your path to cosmic harmony today. We can't wait to see you there.